Hello everybody, this is Patty from Mini Picassos. Today we are going to make a very quick project, but really nice. We are going to make this bird. Look how colorful! It's brilliant! So let's do it! To make this pop art bird, you're going to need some white card, because to draw the bird like I'm doing here, you need a paper that is a bit firm. If you don't have it, you can get your white paper, the normal one you have at home, and just stick it to a box of cereals or something like that. This is a very good shape for the bird. The eyes should look very big like that. These lines make that the eye pops more. You could make a line to separate the neck from the rest of the body and mark the wings. These two rectangles that I'm drawing here on the corner are going to be used to make your bird stand. You can also draw these curly whirly lines to make something to stick to the head of your bird. Oh, I'm going to make another one. I like 3. Good number. Very good. Okay, and we are going to make some feathers to put on our bird. I think 3 to make a tail are enough. So good. So let's get now a pen and trace the lines. It's good to have pen all around because it makes the drawing much more visible. It's a good moment now to add some special effects. Look at that. I'm making these semicircles all around. Don't forget to rub anything that you have in pencil before coloring. I think I'll have this polka dot head and an orange beak. Oh, yellow head is going to look very, very nice. I think yellow and pink is a very nice combination of colors. Very happy one. Cool. And a little bit of yellow here. Good. Nice. So let's make these feathers for the head in blue. Black for the eye. And here we are. Let's go for the body. Remember, don't forget to erase anything that you have in pencil. Oh, these feathers are going to be very good if I put different colors around and inside. Nice, purple and blue is good. Okay. Oh, I like this pink in the middle. That's nice. So let's make the body with some stripes. And then we can add some patterns. Or just color the stripes. Remember that it's your pop art bird. You're gonna make any patterns that you think they're gonna look cool. You don't need to do exactly what I did. But I really like stripes and the dots. Let's put some dots right inside of these stripes. Oh, cool. Bit of red. I think it looks cool like that. Remember, use your favorite colors. This will be nice. So I'm gonna make this base a little bit in red. Now you get the scissors and try to cut as close as you can to the lines that you made. So I'm gonna cut these feathers first. It's gonna make it easier. Good. Now cut these rectangles. Let them ready here to use. And oh, let's add something else here, like these dots. Black always makes that the drawing pops up, isn't it? That's good. Okay, now let's cut. Remember, very close to the line. Okay, all around. Very good. Oh, this is going to be a bit tricky to cut. All okay if you cannot cut all the white from it, you see. I'm leaving a little bit. It's fine. So now it's time for the glue. I'm going to start sticking the feathers for the tail. Look, if you have at home some real feathers, you could use them. It would make your bird very super special. I'm going to add some color here in the middle. Nice, a little bit more dark. If you have any kind of gems, you could add them. You know, those ones very super beautiful and sparkly. The same with this that we are going to stick on the head. If you have feathers, you can use them here as well. Okay, so try to stick from the back of the head, so we don't see that little part that is at the end. Oh, nice. Okay, do you see that I made a little cut in the middle? This is gonna make my bird stand. So you need to make the same cut on the body of the bird. So I'm making 2 cuts because I'm gonna put 2 legs. So you see? So this part of the paper is gonna get right inside this cut. You see the cut here? Oops. There we go. Yep, made. Done. Okay, let's get the other one. We are almost ready. Cool, here we go. And your bird now is going to be able to stand up. Let's see. Oh, that's great. Look at that. Isn't it a cool bird? I love it. Did you like to make this project? Wasn't it really, really nice? Well, if you like it, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to send some photographs of what you have done so we can put on our gorgeous gallery. It was nice to do this with you, so I hope to see you again next week. Bye!